Have an expert panel of guests with us. Kapil Gupta, CEO and founder of NEETPrep.com, joining us here this evening. Good evening, Mr. Kapil Gupta. Welcome to Mirror Now. Vivek Pandey from NEETPrep again, who is a physics teacher. Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, who is from AIMS. Dr. N.K. Sharma, who is also a coach for the subject of biology. Vipin Agarwal, and he is going to talk about the subject of chemistry today. So these are the subjects that the students appeared for today in the NEET exam. I welcome you all to this special broadcast. Very good evening to each one of you. Coming to you first, Mr. Kapil Gupta. So today, it was, of course, the much awaited, the D-Day for all medical and dental aspirants in this country. And the whole scale and magnitude, as I was just reading out in the beginning, is huge for 66,000 students to be appearing. I beg your pardon, for 66,000 seats, medical and dental included, is what this fight is all about, isn't it?
Exactly, and I must also add that within those 66,000 seats, 35,000 are private college seats and 30,000 are approximately government college seats.
Yes.
Government college seats are cheaper and the quality of faculty is better. In case of private college seats, they are more expensive, and that makes a challenge. So really the fight is not for 66,000 but these 30,000 college seats. But you're right, this is why NEET was created by Supreme Court. They wanted a single exam to remove all malpractices in admissions for medical college seats.
Okay.